Okay, we're at the port. I'm dropping off the scooter. The guy is not here. We don't know where he is, so we're leaving it. There's a little kid sleeping right here.
Like,
subscribe,
click the bell, please.
Thank you. Okay, we are supposed to be on a tricycle right now. Our tricycle driver that we coordinated for last night didn't show up, and G called him, and his wife said, "Oh yeah, he can't make it." So they never let us know. Just didn't show up. Wasn't going to tell us. So luckily she called a few minutes early, so the hotel is working to get us a tricycle to get us down there. I still have the scooter, so we can't carry the bags and put it all on the scooter to get down to the port. We got up here for 200 pesos. They're charging us 300 pesos to go back down to the port because it's out of the hotel. I'm sure they're taking a cut. Overall, the hotel is not bad. I mean, if you know what you're getting into, it's isolated. It's out in the middle of nowhere. So you have to get a scooter or you have to rely on somebody to get you transportation because there's literally no restaurants. There's a couple little convenience stores near here, and that's pretty much it. There is a pool. It is oceanfront, but like things that irritate me is they don't have brewed coffee, and they charge you 65 pesos for instant coffee packet. And we bought our own coffee, of course, and then they started charging us 20 pesos for hot water. So to warm up our water, they would charge us 20 pesos. So again, nickel and diming me, it kind of irritates me a little bit. Whatever, that's fine. They got to make money. I understand that, but I won't come back here. I would definitely go to the other place that we saw on the beach. So we're waiting for the taxi or the tricycle, and then we'll see how it goes. Okay, so we got the scooter. She's in the scooter with all the bags. I'm on the scooter. She's in the tricycle, and we are making our way. We're gonna try and make the ferry in like 45 minutes. So we will see if we make it. He's on the side of the road chopping down the brush. I mean, like, this is for the past kilometer, everybody's been doing this. So I'm not exactly sure if it's like area beautification day. It's pretty cool. Everybody's taking care of their stuff. Everybody's outside. I mean, like every house, all the way down for the past 2 minutes of driving. Okay, we're at the port. I'm dropping off the scooter. The guy is not here. We don't know where he is, so we're leaving it with the key inside. Grabbing some stuff, and we're heading. Okay, the dude came, grabbed his scooter. G is in line getting us tickets or environmental fee or something. Wow. Yeah. It's here or no? The boat's not even here yet, is it? Or is it here? So high drama. We were rushing, flying to get down here, and we got here and the boat isn't even here yet. So they're running late. So G bought some health food this morning for breakfast. What did you get for breakfast? Biscuit. Biscuit. Some saltine crackers. Very healthy. Of course, I'm drinking coffee, so I can't argue too much. Anyway, we're all sitting here waiting for the boat. Okay, so they finally moved everything off, put the vehicles on, and we are heading towards the port. But I want to walk over and get a picture of this sign. So it says, "Stop coconut smuggling. Help protect coconut industry. Mature nuts partially dehusked. Section 4 Executive Order. Mature coconuts and coconut seedlings are declared as controlled and prohibited banned product." I just hadn't seen that before. So there's the other ferry coming up. Different location. and we're hoofing it. So we're trying to find a taxi if we can, just because it'll save us a lot of time to get back into the city, or the bus if we have to. Grab taxi showing like 400 pesos from here, but like a 25-minute wait for them to actually come up here and pick us up. So we'll see what happens. And we're back. We'll pay when we pick it up. So we're picking up doing our laundry per kilo. This is EJ's. Right across the street is the wash and dry. So, the thing. There's a little kid sleeping right here. So we're gonna buy him some food. Get it done before we go. Baby, let's buy that kid some food. So they sell these trucks in the Philippines. I don't believe these are for sale yet in the US. I haven't seen them as far as I remember. It's like the new smaller Ford Ranger. Yeah, it's really cool. Okay.